When information travels a controlled route, it remains secure, but one misdirected click causes that stream to fragment and scatter off course. Selecting the wrong name from an email autocomplete menu can send thousands of personal records to an unauthorized inbox in a matter of seconds. If sensitive files are distributed through open links or unprotected forwards, the organization faces immediate financial penalties and the loss of customer trust. Imagine you are preparing to share a sensitive report. Your finger is on the mouse, ready to click send. This moment represents the final gate in the sharing process. Pausing at this stage allows you to evaluate the file's contents, ensuring the security measures you are about to apply match the risk level of the information. To evaluate a file correctly, you must first identify its risk level. Information is categorized based on the potential impact of its exposure. Public files, like press releases, and internal information, such as standard operating procedures, represent the lower end of the risk spectrum. This security hierarchy uses 4 tiers. Green for public and yellow for internal form the base. Risk increases into orange for confidential and red for restricted data. This restricted tier includes financial records, personal identification cards, and secure contracts, requiring the most stringent protections. Once you have identified a file's classification tier, you can determine which communication channels and access permissions are required to share it safely. Look at this email interface. Autocomplete features often suggest names based on the first few letters. Here, an external vendor with the same first name as an internal colleague is flagged to prevent a misdirected send. Sensitive data routed to an internal corporate domain stays within a monitored network. Sending that same data to an external domain introduces outside variables that require additional safeguards. To manage these variables, use only the communication and cloud sharing platforms explicitly approved by the organization. As shown here, a secured corporate cloud drive provides a controlled environment. A personal email account does not have the necessary security architecture for handling business data. On an unapproved platform, the organization cannot track file access or recall the data if sent to the wrong person. Sticking to approved channels ensures the organization maintains a secure chain of custody over every customer record. Even when using the right channel, you must restrict digital access permissions before you generate a sharing link. A cloud link set to anyone with the link can view functions like a public broadcast. To protect the data, the link must be locked down to specific users. By selecting the specific people-only setting, you create a whitelist. This ensures that only authorized individuals can open the file, while everyone else is blocked. For the most sensitive files, apply an extra layer of security directly to the document. Use password protection or encryption before uploading the attachment. Securing the file's individual permissions provides a secondary defense. Even if a link is intercepted, the data inside remains inaccessible without the correct credentials. Most data exposures stem from a few common actions: selecting an incorrect recipient, using a personal email account, or sharing an open link. These errors typically occur when we are rushing to meet a deadline or prioritizing convenience over established security protocols. If you realize a mistake has been made, use the Report Incident button on your security dashboard immediately. Reporting a leak allows the security team to begin containment. Attempting to hide a mistake prevents that response and increases the total damage to the organization. Damage control depends on individual transparency. Quick reporting is a requirement for maintaining a secure workplace. When the data is classified, the recipient is verified, and the permissions are locked, you can transmit information with confidence. Data protection is a shared operational responsibility that applies to every department and every role. Every transfer requires an intentional evaluation of the information involved. Think before you share. Protect the data, protect the people. Corporate data protection safeguards the human lives, private identities, and personal financial stability represented by the numbers on our screens.